Hey guys, welcome back to another video of Steve's Bio Simplified. Today we are going to take a look on breathing and exchange of gases chapter. Don't ever miss these human physiology chapter guys. These chapters are pretty much interesting and the questions asked from these chapters will be very easy if you are well known with the concepts. Okay, let's get started guys. Let's see our first question. Carbon dioxide diffuses into blood from tissue site and passes to alveolar site in the form of option A bicarbonate 70%, option B bicarbonate 20 to 25%, option C carbamino hemoglobin 60 to 70%, option C D carbamino hemoglobin 7%. During transport, most of CO2, that is carbon dioxide, is passed into erythrocytes. A major part, nearly 70%, forms carbonic acid on reacting with water in erythrocytes and then forms bicarbonate. So option A bicarbonate is the right answer. Next question. What is the common element in hemoglobin and myoglobin? Option A iron, option B copper, option C manganese, option D magnesium. So the right option is A iron. Next question. Hemoglobin is a type of option A carbohydrate, option B respiratory pigment, option C vitamin, option D skin pigment. This is a really easy question guys, though I would like to add some more important points here. Hemoglobin is a conjugated protein. It consists of a basic globin joined to a non-protein group heme. Heme is an iron porphyrin ring. A mammalian Hb molecule is a complex of 4 heme molecules joined with 4 globin molecule. It is present in RBC and carries O2 from the lungs to its tissues and transport CO2 from the tissues to the lungs. So option B respiratory pigment is the right option here guys. Next question. Skin is an accessory organ of respiration in option A humans, option B frog, option C rabbit, option D lizard. In addition to lung, skin is also an organ of respiration in frog. It is in fact the only mode of respiration when the frog is under water or hibernating. Skin is richly supplied with blood and is impermeable to gases. Oh, that's it guys. So the right option is B, frog. Let's see our next question. Hope you guys enjoying. Respiration is controlled by option A medulla oblongata, option B cerebellum, option C hypothalamus, option D cerebrum. Option B medulla oblongata is the correct answer for this question guys. Next question. How many O2 molecules can bind with a single molecule of hemoglobin? Option A 4, option B 6, option C 8, option D 10. Interesting question guys, and the right answer for this question is option A, that is 4. Let's see our next question. What will be the, I hope it is partial pressure, but I will call it pressure here guys. Pressure of O2 and pressure of CO2 in the atmospheric air compared to those in the alveolar air. Option A pressure of O2 lesser and CO2 higher. Option B pressure of O2 higher and CO2 lesser. Option C pressure of O2 higher and as well as CO2 higher. Option D pressure of O2 lesser and CO2 lesser. So option B is the right option here guys. Next question. Hiccups can be best described as jerky incomplete expiration, option B jerky complete inspiration, option C vibration of the soft palate during breathing, option D sign of indigestion. Hiccup is an inspiratory spasm caused by sudden contraction of diaphragm accompanied by a loud closure of glottis. So the correct option is option B jerky incomplete inspiration guys. Let's see our next question. The toxic effect of CO is due to its affinity with hemoglobin as compared to oxygen approximately by option A 20 times, option B 200 times, option C 500 times, option D 10 times. Carbon monoxide has 200 times more affinity for hemoglobin as compared to oxygen. Carbon monoxide reacts with hemoglobin to form a stable compound carboxyhemoglobin. So it impairs O2 transport resulting in asphyxia, headache, etc. So the right option is B. And next question. What are the characteristics of alveoli? Option A very thin, irregular walled and highly vascularized. Option B thick and smooth membrane. Option C network of blood capillaries and thick walled. Option D thick, regular walled and lack of blood vessels. So the right option for this question is A very thin, irregular walled and highly vascularized. Okay, let's see our next question. Dissociation curve of hemoglobin is option A sigmoid, option B parabolic, option C straight line, option D hyperbolic. If you are not familiar with it, let me explain you guys. Dissociation curve of oxyhemoglobin shows O tension and percentage of saturation of hemoglobin with oxygen. Normally dissociation curve is sigmoid or S shape. The right option is A. Next question. Emphysema is a condition in which option A respiratory center is inhibited, option B lot of fluid is collected in the lungs, option C the walls separating the alveoli break, option D lungs have more O2. Option C the wall separating the alveoli break is the right option. Next question. Which of the following statement about the mechanism of ventilation or breathing is false? Option A, as the diaphragm relaxes, air is expelled from the respiratory system. Option B, during inspiration the lung acts as a suction pump. Option C, inspiration is a passive and expiration is an active process. Option D, for quiet breathing external intercostal muscles and diaphragm play an important role. This is a really important question guys, and the right option is C. Okay, let's see our next question. The majority of carbon dioxide produced by our body cells is transported to lungs as option A attached to hemoglobin, option B dissolved in the blood, option C as bicarbonates, option D as carbonates. When systematic arterial blood flows through capillaries, carbon dioxide diffuses from the tissues into the blood. Some CO2 is dissolved in the blood. Some CO2 reacts with hemoglobin to form carbaminohemoglobin. The remaining CO2 is converted to bicarbonate and hydrogen ions. Most CO2 is transported through the blood in the form of bicarbonate ions. So option D is the right answer. Oh, I have missed. So our next question. Skin of man cannot act as a respiratory organ because option A it is dry, option B it is not thin, option C it is not permeable to O2 and CO2, option D all of this. So the right option is D, all of this. So that's it for the day guys. Hope you guys learned something. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned. Happy learning. Thank you.